Baha na! May order pa! Walang makakapigil!
Walang baha-baha sa service crew na Pinoy. Immortal kami! Kaya pa! Kakayanin! Para sa ekonomiya!
At para sa pamilya! Walang baha-baha sa amin! Grab lang to, pre! Kahit baha, tuloy ang biyahe! Laban lang!
Sana may hazard pa ito. At least nakalagin pa tayo. Class suspended!
Olympic-sized swimming pools! Ede, wow! Balik sa classroom mga bata! Okay, class, listen. Classes are still ongoing, and the mayor hasn't made an announcement yet.
Ma'am, can we go swimming first?
You are just a flood. We are BPO call center agents. Warrior Live.
Team leader, we are on our way.
Okay, class, makinig! Tuloy pa rin ang klase. Wala pang announcement si Mayor.
Ma'am, pwede po bang mag-swimming?
Like and subscribe.